This is a tutorial on how to use custom mapping in SnapMaps to create and save or print a PDF that shows multiple areas of your farm. Open up your farm in SnapPlus, go to the SnapMaps tab, and select Upload, then Website to get to SnapMaps. Before you do any mapping, make sure to check any features you'd like to be included in your map in the map legend. A legend will be automatically generated containing these features when you create your map. First, you need to define a print area for your map, but before you do this, go to PDF Creation and click Clear Print Map Areas to clear out any previously defined print map areas. Now you can start identifying the areas you want to include by going back to PDF Creation, then define Print Map Area. Select an area. Up to 3 areas can be included in a custom map. After you select, you will be asked if you'd like to save the print map area. If you'd like to save the print map area to be used or loaded when creating another map later, then click Yes and give the area a name. If you would just like to use the area for the map we are currently working on, then click No. I am selecting No because I will not need this area later. Up to 3 areas can be included in a custom map. After you select, if you would like to include more, go on to select the others. Once you're satisfied with the areas you've chosen, go to PDF Creation again, and then click Create PDF of Map. You should then select Use Custom Mapping Template to make a PDF of the areas you all selected. This will bring you to another tab with the first area you selected in view. If you look over here, you can select the other areas you defined by clicking on the drop-down menu, selecting the other areas from there, and click Add Map. You can also remove maps here by selecting them and clicking Remove Map. If you don't see these options, try refreshing the page and the options should show up. Adjust positioning by clicking and dragging the corners and edges of the images until you're satisfied with the layout. Now give your map a title, and then select Create PDF so you can save your map to your computer or print it off. This is the end of the tutorial on how to create a custom map of your farm in SnapMaps.